guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be learning how to fold the block bottom plane. This plane is for gliding and distance. So the first step you need is a letter size piece of paper, a ruler, and a pair of scissors. Alright, so the first step is to get a crease from the top to bottom, and by doing that you just need to fold the plane in half. Now, open the plane back up, and hold the left corner and into the middle. Now, do the same thing to the other side. Alright, now get the top of the plane to about 1 inch before the bottom. Now, straighten out the crease that you just made. Alright, now get the left corner again and fold it into the middle crease. Now, do the same thing to the other side. Straighten out the creases that you just made. Alright, now that we've done that, fold the extra flap above, like this. This flap to the top. Alright, now fold the plane outwards. Fold the plane outwards. And line up the two wings. Now you've done that, grab your ruler and you want about a 1/2 inch from the bottom. And that is where you want to fold your plane. Now flip the plane over and do the same thing to the other side. Alright, now that you've done that, hold the plane from the bottom and spread the wings out. Now, get one of the wings and fold it about almost like a 1/4 inch forwards. Now do the same thing to the other side. Alright, after you did that, grab your pair of scissors and cut two short flaps here. Now do the same thing to the other side. Alright, fold the flaps up and do the same thing to the other side. Now you got yourself the lock bottom plane.